Morning, y'all. Another 4:30 a.m. ride into work. It's supposed to be nice the next couple days. We've basically just been getting a bunch of rain, like non-stop. So it'll be nice to hopefully get out today and tomorrow. Maybe do some weekend riding. I haven't really decided yet. Got my in-laws coming in this Saturday or this Sunday. And then I'll be definitely taking a whole week off because I'm going to be hanging out with all of them and doing a bunch of stuff. So probably won't be releasing anything new for a little while. So I figured I should do a little ride into work and talk to you guys and go over the Z900 a little bit more. And God, this thing doesn't get old, man. That's all I got to say. It really, really doesn't get old, man. Third gear drop, fucking mob. Oh, yeah. Sorry if it's a little windy. I don't, only got the mic mini in the helmet today, so feeling a little lazy today, but finally starting to warm up a bit in Washington. It's about 50 right now. It's cold, but it's not like freeze your balls off cold. It's tolerable. All I know is the bike's all tuned, check engine light doesn't come on anymore. And she's all good to go, man. It drives awesome. Power feels fucking crazy. I'm not gonna lie, it really feels like the front tire wants to lift up every time I do a pull now. I mean, there's no shortage of the power now. I mean, I haven't even brought it out of KTRC 2, and it feels like, not like the power's cutting off or anything, but you can definitely feel it cutting back just enough to not let me lift my front tire up. You can feel the front get a little shaky because it wants to pop a wheelie, but the traction control shuts it down. But yeah, if you just turn the KTRC down to 0, oh yeah, man, you'd be doing fucking wheelies every pull, dude. I prefer a little bit more level of control. I don't really, I don't know, I guess I don't really feel comfortable doing wheelies, especially on this. I paid like a decent chunk of money to have this thing, and I really don't want to break it, and that's kind of like my whole thing. Hell yeah, bro! I bet you $1,000 that guy's going to Boeing. All morning Boeing drivers drive like that. Crazy, bro. They don't give a fuck. And apparently I'm the one going slow. All these old timers passing me up. Woohoo! Look at all these people. I go fast, and it makes everybody want to go fast, man. And then the good old Boeing 4:30 traffic, bro. Shit never gets old, man. Every morning, guys. Anybody wants to work for Boeing? Just be ready. You're gonna be fucking sitting in traffic every fucking day, man. I thought I cleaned my mirrors, but I guess I just made them more dirty. Pretty awesome. All I gotta say is if you guys plan on doing the full tune, you guys gotta leave that little black sensor that you pull out with your block-off plates. Leave that sensor in. I had to take it off again and replug that sensor in. And as soon as I did that, my check engine light went away. But yeah, that's basically it. Fellas, we made it. In about 10 seconds, it's gonna be daytime, and I will have magically been here for 8 hours. Yay. Yeah, brother, let's go. That guy doesn't give a fuck. Yeah, I'll go like right here. See if we can get a little pull in this fucking thing over here. I need enough distance though. Fucking backpack slinging everywhere. Woo! That sounds fucking crazy. 5-0. feeling really bumpy.